I'm Dr. Temita Irobi, the Executive Director of Jim Paul Foundation. Jim Paul Foundation is a non-governmental organization that is registered with the Corporate Affairs of Nigeria, and it's working towards empowering young African children in healthcare, education, and economic well-being. We work with young children and adolescents and their communities, and we render services in the area of health, education, and skills acquisition. This foundation started May 2010, about over 2 years ago, and since that time we've seen over 2,000 children that we've treated of various childhood diseases such as malaria, diarrhea, pneumonia, other respiratory tract infections, and other diseases. We've also been able to check the blood pressures of over 500 mothers and caregivers. We've conducted immunizations for well over 1,500 children, and in fact our center has been officially recognized by government for the National Plan of Immunization. Also, we've given over 350 mothers health education, especially in the area of their own health management and the treating of their children. And we've been able to empower 85 mothers and caregivers in various skills so that they could be economically empowered. Jim Paul Foundation has also established an OVC club. We mean orphans and vulnerable children. And so far we've been able to adopt 52 orphans and vulnerable children. Orphans are children that have lost either mother or father or both. And vulnerable children are children that are street children, children that are breadwinners, children whose parents are suffering from HIV or AIDS. And we all give them support and care in various ways. We give them nutritional supplies, we give them school supplies like school books, school bags, uniforms, textbooks. We give them counseling. We help them when they grow up, they are teenagers, going up to be adolescents. We empower them, like giving them this one skill or the other so that they can help their caregivers. And we also give them, help them to get their birth certificates and all those kind of things that just to make life more comfortable and bearable for them. We're also into youth-friendly services in secondary schools in our community. How can you help us? Jim Paul Foundation, we have a lot of things we could do. We could do much more than we are doing right now, and we need a fully established laboratory so that our clinic, when we see our patients, we do not need to send them out for laboratory services. We like to upgrade our facilities. We like to adopt more orphans and vulnerable children. You could decide, yes, you want to sponsor an orphan, you want to sponsor a child through school. That would be fantastic. You could come on board, just contact us, and then we'll show you what to do. The other things that you could do, you could send us drugs, you could send us relief materials like clothing, like school shoes, like bags, things that will help, the poor, the underprivileged. You could help send us office equipment, that we could use in our office. You could decide that you want to work with us, like a volunteer, a nurse, a doctor, you're a health worker, or you just love to be with children. You could do that. That would be wonderful. We need more people, and I know that as you do, God will bless you. Thank you very much.